Welcome back. Today we are going to use 100% stacked bar chart, which we are going to add our data to it, and then it will show us how much percentage of this data jobs mention a degree and how much doesn't. So let's begin. First, we are going to open Power BI. Then we are going to add our visualization. There are a bunch of visualization, but today we are going to work with 100 stacked bar chart. So let's add it. When you add our data to your project, it will be in this part. So here is my data. And now I'm going to add job title short and both x-axis of this visualization and y-axis of this visualization. So let's do it like this. And now I'm going to add job no degree mention to legend. Now let's change the titles and to organize our visualization a little bit. I'm going to change both y-axis and x-axis to job titles. And now let's change the legend name to no degree mention to make it shorter and more cleaner. Now I'm going to change job titles to job count percentage because it shows how much of this job mention a degree and how much doesn't. Let's go to x-axis and to title part. Let's write job count percentage like this. And now let's modify our main title. Let's go to general, to title part. Let's change this to what portion of data jobs don't mention a degree. And now let's make it bigger. And let's center it. So like this, we have used all of these visualization. I hope you have learned something from me and enjoyed watching my videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.